Today ends in a Y. It's Michael Young, your probate, trust, and conservatorship real estate broker, coming to you today to talk about Sunday open houses. Now, we really have to look at the open house from the vantage point of reactive versus proactive marketing. Now, what do I mean by that? Reactive marketing is when you really don't know how what you're doing can be measured. It's a mystery whether, for example, if you do a Sunday open house, somebody's going to show up, not show up. If they do show up, are they really interested? Are they neighbors? Looky-loos. We never know what's really going to happen. Versus proactive marketing, where you can measure it very specifically. I'm going to be on the phone today or on the street. I'm going to talk to 30 people. Out of those 30 people, probably 2 or 3 will have some interest in selling or buying. So again, a very different approach. Now, since I've been in real estate since the early 80s, I've done very, very few open houses. Why? Because it's a form of reactive marketing. I have no idea in 2 or 3 hours sitting there who's going to show up, what they want, are they pre-qualified or not, are they neighbors, are they strangers, are they going to steal something in the house? So I tend to shy away from the reactive type of marketing. However, under certain circumstances, certain clients want that, and that's fine. We will do them as needed if everything else has been exhausted. And or there are other properties that if they're on a main street, a lot of traffic, it's a high-end property, then yes, a Sunday open house might be appropriate. But again, it comes down to who really is going to benefit from a Sunday open house. This is the dirty little secret that the industry won't tell you. Really, the person that's going to benefit the most is not the seller, it's the agent. Now, what do I mean by that? You open up the house on a Sunday for 2 or 3 hours and people walk in. Agents are trained to say, thanks for coming into our house on Cherry Street. That buyers will walk around, they'll say, well, gosh, it's a nice property, not exactly what we want. And the agent is trained to say, great, when can I start showing you other properties and what are you looking for? And in that moment, they're really no longer working with the seller. They're really looking, just like they're fishing to troll, to find a buyer to sell whatever they can sell. And that's, again, one of the main reasons why we normally don't do open houses. So again, reactive versus proactive marketing. You, the seller, will need to make the choice with your realtor as to what works best for you. Michael Young, thanks for watching. See you soon.